Adjustments also, syempre iba ang pag-shoot ng teleserye. And anong Catherine ang mapapanood namin dito sa Someone Someday?
Adjustments, yes, there were a lot of adjustments. And actually, I think ito yung longest na parang usually kasi it takes like, a couple of taping days to warm up and to feel homey on set. But for this one, it took a while. Maybe because matagal na rin since my last serye. And when you say you're doing a TV series, we all know that it's a different world, di ba? Pag sa movie. And eto sa serye, siguro new environment din for me. Like, first time working with James, with Ate Madge, with our directors as well. And then I'm back with Dreamscape after Maya Clara, which was 16 years ago.
16?
So, ang daming bago. So, medyo matagal ako nag-warm up and also to get to know my character. And then your other question about my character.
Yes.
So, I play the role of Billy Carino. So, I guess you've all seen the trailer and we also launched our poster too yesterday. So, I'd like to use that as my reference na lang. So, as you can see, si Billy as a CEO muna, she's one of the founders of Lovelist. As a boss, she's very, she knows what she wants. She's very independent. She is a go-getter. She's the type of girl na may plano siya sa buhay. She's like that kapag sa Lovelist, pag sa office. Pero, just like kung anong nakita niyo sa poster, it's like the many faces of Billy. Because, feeling ko, ganun tayo, especially women, we wear a lot of masks, right? Like, I'm like this when I go to the office. I'm like this when I'm at home. I'm like this when I'm with my friends. And I think ganun si Billy. So she's like this kapag sa office. And then once she gets home, nandiyan na si Tita Press, yung sinasabi ni Ate Dims kanina. Konting-konti lang yung meron siyang pamilya. So pag sa bahay, makita niyo na she's like the complete opposite of the girl boss you see in Lovelist. And also, pag kasama niya si Jordan, yung safe space niya, the best friend niya, which is James' character, it's a different mask na ibibigay din ni Billy. So, ang daming layers ng character niya. Iba rin siya sa mga taong medyo alam niyo niloloko siya. So, I think it's interesting because we made sure that Billy is just like us. She's human and she's not, I think, the typical lead character na makikita natin. And feeling ko ito yung pinakamaraming layers din na na-portray ko when it comes to TV series. That's why I enjoy creating Billy.
Ako, excited tayo mapanood yan, Catherine.
Yeah.
Nakakapagod siguro yung maraming layers na yun.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Diba?
It's tiring.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan mo siya
Switching.
gawin real. Like,
Yes.
switching. And then iba yung dynamics niya sa bawat character. So minsan, tatanong ko sila, so paano pag tayo, right? It's hard to balance it. Pero I think the challenge naman, lahat naman tayo likes the challenge and it's very fulfilling once you've done something or feeling ko nagawa ko yung kailangan sa eksena. But yes, it takes a lot of courage, a lot of effort, and so much more.
And it's so refreshing kasi first time rin makatrabaho si Madge and si James.
First time,
diba?
yes. Si Ate Dims lang actually nakatrabaho ko sa lahat ng
Yes.
cast, I think. Pero lahat kami first. Yeah.
Meron bang kapaan in the beginning, getting to know, ganon? Or
Yes,
siya,
meron.
hihiyaan?
Meron, for sure.
Meron?
Yeah. Kasi I've known Ate Madge for quite some time now, but I know Ate Madge as like, my sister in the industry and Ate Dims also. Pero iba naman talaga kapag nasa set tayo. So, iba kung paano mo kilalanan yung isang artista na katrabaho mo. And syempre, may adjustments din doon kung paano kami. But overall, siguro one thing in common sa aming lahat, we're all hungry. We want this to work. And it's the project that we're all parang fully committed in. So, yun yung humahawak sa amin lahat.
Ang laking bagay yung hungry, no? Yung excited ka. Parang Madge, diba? Since you became a mom, ito yung show mo ulit. It's your comeback also. So,